Alright guys, I'm out here with the Bugs 2. The legendary Bugs 2. I'm just going to take a little quickie flight. I haven't flown this thing since that day I had it out here when it was 18 degrees. So I'm just, getting it ready for spring. That's all. That's all I'm doing. Just trying to get it warmed up a little bit. Let's warm up the Bugs 2. "13 satellites. It's holding good. Oh yeah. It's only 50 meters up. I'll tell you what, this Bugs 2, this thing's pretty fast, man. I'm telling you. Pretty fast. Let me get that back over here and turn this. I think that headless mode's on. I want to turn that off. Is that on? Yeah, it is on, actually. I need to get one of them Eric the Red drive-bys like he did. I wonder if that was on accident or he did that on purpose. But I don't know if I got the cojones to do that, man. That thing came awfully close. I hate to get hit in the head with that thing doing 40 miles an hour. This thing's still got a lot of bed. This thing has a long flight time, man. This thing will go for a long time. A long time. Alright guys, I just wanted to come out and fly for a few minutes just to make sure the battery was still good. And I only flew it once basically all winter, but the battery is holding real good, so that hasn't went bad yet. It's all good. It's a real beauty. 15 satellites. Let me kill the video. Alright guys, have a nice day.